Okay, so Franco is playing close to 20. Franco's score sheet. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the total. So I know that 8 plus 2 makes 10. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. I'm going to check off the 4 because I used him too. Okay, now let's find the next total. I'm going to do 6 plus 5. I know that's a near double, so that's 11 plus 9 equals 20. Now I'm going to do the next one. I know that 7 and 6 is another near double. I know 6 plus 6 is 12, so then 6 plus 7 has to be 13. 13 plus 8 equals 21. Now I'm going to do the next one. 3 plus 5 plus 10. Oh, here's a 10. Plus 5 plus 3. I know 5 and 3 is 8, so that equals 18. And then I have 7 and 3 is 10, and 10 plus 9 equals 19. Now we need to find the score. Okay, and we know the score is how far it is away from 20. So we know 14 is 6 away from 20. So if I add 14 and 6, I'll get 20. I know that 20 is 0 away from 20. I know 21 is 1 away from 20. I know 18 is 2 away from 20, and I know 19 is 1 away from 20. So now it's saying, fill in the score sheet. What was Franco's final score? Show your work below. So we need to add his scores to find out his final score. So I'm going to add 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals. And I know the first thing I need to do is look for tens, then I look for doubles. Well, since I don't see a make 10, I found a double. So 1 and 1 is 2. And then I know 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So his final score was 10. Now let's look at the next one. So we have Mrs. Shadrick made 36 cupcakes for a bake sale. She sold some of the cupcakes on Monday. When she counted, she had 20 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes did Mrs. Shadrick sell? So the first thing I'm going to do is make my fact family. And I know that my whole was she made 36 cupcakes. I know she sold some, so we know some is N. And when she counted, she had 20 left. So we know 20 is our other part. And the first way I'm going to do it is part plus part equals whole. So I know that 20 plus n equals 36. So I can use my number line, and I start with the 20, and I end with the 36. And I need to find n, so I need to count the jumps. So 20, and I'm going to count by 10, because it's more than 10 away. 20 plus 10 equals 30. And now I need to count from 30 to 36. So I need to make 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. So n equals 16. Or I could have done it the other way, and I could have done it as a subtraction problem, and I could have done whole minus part equals part. And I know that the whole is 36 minus part, which is n, equals 20. So again, I'm going to find the difference. 36, and I'm going to go to 20 over here, and I'm going to find the difference. And when you subtract, you go back. So 36 minus 10 equals 26, then 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 10 plus 6 is 16. So n equals 16. Okay, let's look at the next one. So this problem was a graphing problem. So it says color of candies in a bag. So we know that we have red, orange, purple, green, and yellow. Use the line plot above to answer the questions. What color candy was found most in the bag? So I'm going to look at the highest, and I know it is yellow. Okay, let's look at number 2. What is the difference between the number of orange candies and the number of green candies? So I know that I'm looking at orange and I'm looking at green, and I need to find the difference. Well, they have 2 and they have 2, so they're the same at that point, and now I need to find the difference. So the difference is going to be this, what's left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. And now let's look at our last problem. And it says use the clues below to determine the shape and then draw a picture of the shape. So here were our clues. I have 6 sides, I have 6 vertices, and I have no right angles. So here are our attributes. What shape am I? Well, I know that a 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So where it says draw a picture of me, I'm going to draw the picture of a hexagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's just double check the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are no right angles. Okay. Now let's look at tonight's homework and see if we have any questions. Okay. So for tonight's homework, the first one is today's number is 28. You need to write addition and subtraction expressions. Remember, an expression is there's no equal signs that equal today's number, which is 28. Okay. Number 2 says draw the number 68 using tens and ones. So just like we are going to be doing today, we're going to be learning about tens and ones. You need to draw the number 68. Then they want to know what is the value in the tens place, what is the number in the ones place. What number would you have if you added another 10? That's a key word. You added another 10. Okay, let's look at one more. Okay. It says 24 people are coming to your house for a picnic. There are 30 sandwiches on your picnic basket. Will there be enough? Will there be any leftovers? If so, how many? Okay. And the last one is how many stickers are there? So here are our tens. Here are our ones. What is another way to show this many stickers? Okay, so first tell me how many stickers are there right here, and then what is another way to show this many stickers? Okay, and now you can start tonight's homework.